Hey guys, welcome back to my shop and welcome to Manicaro Custom Guitars, where I, personally, build custom-made electric guitars like this one. I present to you the new MC Odin 7. What? Something's missing. Oh, not again. Well, not exactly like that one, but you get the point. I do build these guitars using my home-built CNC, like so. I really need to have a word with my editor. And of course, at the end of each project, I like to do some collabs with local guitarists to make guitar demo. Like so, I can promote both my guitars and local artists, and make friends along the way, like this. So guys, if you're into guitars, CNC, DIY and tools, look up Manicaro Custom Guitars on YouTube and consider subscribing to my channel for future releases. Until the next time, take care and goodbye.